Howdy ho, neighbor.
Wilson? How'd you get in the back seat of my truck?
You left the door open.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Are you delivering food with Uber there, neighbor?
Well, yeah, I kind of have to. I don't have enough subscribers yet, and then you put that electric fence around your garden. Now I gotta pay for all my produce.
Yeah, that's a good thing, too. What you cooking this week?
This week I'm making chicken and rice teriyaki.
Hey now, that sounds good.
Yeah, you want to see how I make that? Come on inside, I'll show you how.
My God, what did you eat?
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.